I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind, and the other names. It is the Abebre. Yeah. And this we celebrate what? Jawa. What did the hell where you come? We know Nana Mama Brown, one of the actress where he did Ghana here, and funny see for sake of if you are number one empress back up Ghana. She can't talk. What this woman can talk? This woman can talk say any school be away. You go take your hand touch in Kidino. You go close down the school or bet two school in. That be what Nana Mama Brown what can't talk. Where you go talk am for? You go talk am for what? Kingdom FM. When they interview am where you talk that thing what for there. You know say this word where they inside no. If you dey set Kidia, over brands or any other oba. But Nana Mama Brown only there. Now you know be easy give am. That be what she talk. He says so many years this no not peba. A banana no penny there, it not be easy. The injections, the things you take, medicine, or you guni yam no brother man, it not be easy. You suck medicine, injection, say na meba buano. No I had a way naba. Where no God help am make you get a kiddy there. You know go make the kiddy know what. You want to see akolana from cry. You know so over the period no way na you dey go on. Akolana buy no. We see the way Nana Mama Brown they do plus the kiddy. You go to the stand say they kiss the kiddy, they take in tongue the pass the kiddy in what? You morph inside and things. Where Fox TV where them they up to can do that news say why? If your kiddy so what's up what you they do plus the kiddy no? I don't know how you call if you know how you go do plus the kiddy because we can't remember do akwalane no need the enya den eya say we play people where them dig and here and can put them amount for what inside. That be the matter way what it come. The other way they inside be say Nana Mama Brown way they talk say or brass no wonya ban. You know say if you see mu enye easy so benya bibi. Where kiddy to me if you God way they bless man make you get kiddy. Nti sasa no kan ya no so obre no so onya abane de bi no fa obi a ye den obi a bre wa asase so we ade o kan ya na we you bust my mind you bust my brain we I think no dey fit think no be say no bro for touch in kidi we you born am no because any bro we go touch in kidi we be teacher no they go close down the school no me share in the way say this word where we dey inside no Bible have the talk when I drop up them things all the talk say make we respect them things. What Bible talk be say, make you not spoil the rod, then spoil the child. If your kid need a fuck up, then for what? Then for ship out, then for make you not say, I dear oil and yet. Now they are talk only trim now, you know the show manners. You know the show the kid say, if for respect, if for not say this thing there, if for not say for respect, because all the Akolani school, all the not say teacher for answer say, or monshe Akolani mom. Then the kid need take on their house inside. Then you now teach them. You know what you do. So what they do no. You know get time give the kiddy. Until teacher for no measure akwala no ma den o ma kire no. E kwan e so fa so e wo book mu e wo nyansam waka asem we say that akwala ni ko school na teacher ni bu akwala we also be ende obe break this school into obi anka akwala no asem. The community go dey the life inside you no go respect, you no go do anything. You go take go in marriage inside. Because you don't say mommy get money, your mommy be powerful. I don't know the money, the powerness where your mommy get. You about that thing, no? You know good. Say you go can't talk that thing. You take go the marriage inside you go do body say me na me them home because say we married to me was submissive. If you know humble yourself, give manner, you know get marriage that you go there, you go talk say it be the devil way you do you, but it be you now way you do yourself. Because you make up your mind, say, you know the respect, you know go feel humble yourself, give man. So that thing, you go worry the kiddie. So now I'm Brown for come talk again. Because the teachers when them did this country inside, no, some they work hard, some they impart knowledge. Because the kiddie when they come, because kiddie akola do niya, esa otiano. Now they are by the now tunu for now way. Now they will be bull by the abako close school no. This matter make action they talk. It dey bomb me big time. Nana Mama Brown, it do yawa rough. This yawa there. It be something where me na I no go fit talk. But asan what? Asan talk. This is the matter where you what? You drop. You go feel leave your what? Your comment. It be very necessary. leave your comments for them. Also, bet my channel, I bet my can. I did I saw where they also can. In about who we are, then you finish her. Then you go on our social media platforms. You go feel like share. The name be Too Much GH. It be very, very important. Oh yeah, man, me need jump. So we be video. You know, I share. No, I like. No, so far. A footwear, a woman. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Stay what? Stay blessed. Pow.
Too Much GH. We did that say Japan. A break and Besame TV. Me share Too Much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody debia. Madam, I say love you.
Too Much GH. We boy wate. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH. Me dey the Isaac Ojuampo. We betumi afem the great tempo. Mbring. One man come on here Too Much GH. Too Much GH. Mu too much. Na me so me I'm more fire.